Welcome to my YouTube video. This is an unboxing video of the TP-Link Omada AX3000 Indoor-Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 access point. It's the EAP650 Stripe Outdoor. It has a lot of functions. It can function as an access point, as a client. It has built-in antennas for long range. It is waterproof, dustproof. It supports mesh. It supports dual frequency, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. It has one of the latest new technologies. So I'm showing it to you. We are going to unbox it now. This is it. I just got it by package. Somebody brought me the package, and we're going to unbox it. There is a plastic around it. It's wrapped into plastic, and then you can open it right here. Voila. This is it. What we have here, it's installation guide, some useful information also, and then we have the PoE adapter. That's to give the access point electricity over the network cable. So you plug in the network cable and you plug in the power, and then you have the access point. What we have here, this is the mount bracket. It's to mount it on the wall. It's a wall mount bracket. And then we have the access point here. This is the access point. Here we can do the wall mount. This is the back side of it. And you do the wall mount with 2 screws. They are included. 2 screws, 2 plugs. And then you can slide the access point like that. Check. It clicks. And this is for mast mount. If you want to mount it on a mast, you use the straps behind of it and you tighten it. And this is the waterproof screw. You put in the network cable here with this around it, and then it's watertight. So yeah, this is what is in the box. Voila, the access point, the waterproof screws, the power cable, the power over Ethernet adapter, yes, and the instruction manual, installation guide. Voila, thank you for watching my movie. Also check out my other movies. I will show you more movies about this product in the future. I will configure it and stuff like that. And so you will see a lot of things more